State health officials are investigating a possible case of Ebola here in Hawaii. Officials say it's, quote, very possible the person has Ebola. The patient is at Queens Hospital and is in isolation. At this point, officials have not tested for Ebola. We were the first to report this on our website. Christine Ueno joins us now with more on this developing story. Chris?
Joe, health officials say they just found out about this possible case this morning, and they do not want the public to be concerned.
We are early in the investigation of a patient, very, very early, who we are investigating who might have Ebola.
State health officials confirm tests are being conducted on a patient who remains hospitalized. The Hawaii Nurses Association said the person is being treated at Queens.
It's very possible that they do, that they have Ebola, but I think it's also even more likely that they have another condition that presents with similar symptoms.
Dr. Melissa Veray said the patient could have a number of illnesses, including Ebola, flu, malaria, and typhoid. She wouldn't tell me any symptoms the person was having or if the person had recently traveled to West Africa. But she did say a big red flag of Ebola is a fever and recent travel to that area. Why is this person being isolated?
So again, when we've asked the hospitals to tell us about is anyone with a travel history and anyone with a fever, and when those two come together, we've asked them to be very careful and in an abundance of caution while you're working them up for whatever else might be going on. Also make sure you isolate against Ebola just in case that is the case.
So it sounds like this person does have a fever and did travel to West Africa.
Again, I can't be the one to confirm that.
Dr. Veray could not say if the person is a resident or a visitor or the gender, but she said the patient is in isolation at the hospital.
They're monitoring who goes in and out of that room and making sure that everybody stays as safe as possible while the patient is being evaluated for Ebola and what other conditions that patient might have.
Should the public be concerned?
No, absolutely not. Like I was saying, this is a possible case that we are investigating. We don't know whether or not this is Ebola or any number of other conditions.
Again, this patient has not been tested for Ebola. Health officials say it's too early to say if the person will be tested. The state has not tested anyone else for Ebola, but we'll let you know if they do and update you on the person's health.